kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, today I draw a pineapple for you. This is very easy drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, the oval shape. Draw the oval shape is very easy. Draw this carefully. After drawing the oval shape, draw the leaves of the pineapple. Draw the two leaves at one side of the pineapple. Then draw the two another leaves at the other side of the pineapple. Draw the one leaf at middle of the leaves. I draw 5 leaves of the pineapple. You can also draw more or less than 5 leaves. This is your own choice. This is very easy drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. Do you like this drawing? My pineapple drawing is almost ready. Don't forget to draw the lines in the pineapple. Use the scale to draw the lines. Wow, that's awesome drawing. Do you enjoy? I enjoy a lot because this is very easy drawing. Don't forget to outline the drawing. It makes the drawing so beautiful and awesome. Do you like outline? Use the black marker to outline the drawing. Always use the deeper marker in the outline. My pineapple is ready. But wait, something is missing. Who will tell me what is missing? Yes, it's coloring. So let's coloring with me. I like coloring so much. Do you like coloring? Who will tell me what is the color of pineapple? Yes, its color is yellow. Use the yellow color in the drawing. I like yellow color so much. Do you like this color? Use the yellow in a very smooth way. Wow, yellow color looks so beautiful and awesome. Don't forget to color in the leaves. Who will tell me what is the color of leaves? Yes, tell me. Yes, its color is green. You know the color of leaves. I like pineapple so much. Do you like the pineapple? I also like pineapple juice. I drink this juice daily because this is my favorite juice. Do you like this juice? This juice is very useful for us. It makes us healthy. Something pineapple also used in making cake. I like pineapple cake so much. Do you like pineapple cake? My drawing is almost ready. Wow, that's awesome drawing. See, yellow and green colors look so beautiful and awesome. I like this drawing so much. Do you like this? See you again.